In Veil the Void, every weapon type, armor type, and skill-based item requires proficiency to use to its full potential. At character creation, each class starts with a set of proficiencies. On top of that, you gain proficiency with gear you purchased during character creation. This ensures any character can begin play with items that best fit their design. During play, you may decide that you'd like to use a different type of armor, pick up some new piece of gear, or even create your own spell. In this case, you'll have to train with that new item in-game in order to gain proficiency. While making checks with an item with which you are not proficient, you'll suffer some detriments depending on the item. For armor, your movement is reduced, spells become more difficult to cast, and you don't gain any special abilities from the armor. For weapons, you suffer -2 bonus dice on attacks, and adversaries will get an auto hit against your deflect or dodge. For tools, you'll suffer a -2 on those checks, and the effects will be reduced. After a certain number of sessions learning how to properly use your new gear, you'll gain proficiency, and those detriments will go away. Once you use a piece of gear for which you're proficient long enough, usually about 5 sessions, you'll gain mastery in the use of that particular item, gaining bonuses depending on the type of gear that you're using. For armor, mastery grants certain advantages depending on the type of armor. Movement penalties are reduced for heavier armors, while light armor gains bonus movement. Each armor type also grants additional bonuses to various checks. For weapons, mastery grants an additional +1 pip to be added to any die rolled in a check. This is on top of any pips you may already have based on skill points. For tools, mastery grants +1 bonus die on checks and may increase the effectiveness of the tool. And that's it! Those are the basic rules for proficiencies in Veil of the Void. For more specific information and handy charts, refer to page 25 of the core rulebook. And now that you're proficient in these rules, go grab your character sheet and a fistful of d6s and start working towards your mastery of the Veil of the Void.